How could you personalize your iPad? Let me talk about it and give you some examples. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So, obviously, the iPad is looking pretty generic out of the box, whether you mean internally inside of the software or externally on the body of the iPad. So, we need to or we want to personalize it somehow. From the outside, point of view, while the screen is obviously not customizable outside of the screen protector, but at the backside is where people get creative. I'm personally not a big fan of like stickers and personalizing the iPad this way, but there are some services online, most notably Dbrand, which I'm not like affiliated with or anything, but you can look up some of the skins or stickers on the backside of the iPad. Just make sure to look up the exact iPad model so you get the exact style and copy for this device specifically, but you will have the ability to make it look completely different from the back, right? So that's one of the easiest ways to personalize your iPad. But if you are referring to the software of the iPad, well, there we as well have plenty of room for customization and personalization. Most importantly, we have the wallpaper and home screen customizing. So you can go to your settings app and find the wallpaper section. In the left, and you can see that it currently works within the wallpaper pair mode. So if you set up a wallpaper for home screen, you also set up one for the lock screen. So it kind of like works together like this. So you can swipe all the way to the right, click on the plus button and choose from different photos you might have stored, or photo shuffle, which will change the look every time. Or you can pick some different things like the astronomy emoji wallpapers, which are very interesting, and even the color ones. So yeah, that's how you can customize the look and the backgrounds of your device. So that would be something that a lot of people need to do to make the iPad feel like their own. But then as well, just edit the home screen, like just go to the home screen like that, hold it down anywhere and click on the minus icon for apps you don't wish to be there. You don't have to like delete them, only remove them from sight right there, or add some more icons, add some additional widgets, right? And just make it look and feel your own. If you are inside of the edit mode on the home screen, just tap on the edit in the top left and click on add widget, and all of the available ones from literally any app which supports it is going to be shown in here. So you can pick the most useful widgets and in different sizes and styles. So you can add like calendar widget or large clock on the home screen, right? Or whether you are using some kind of specific app, you can as well likely add the widget of that one as well. So using this method, you can personalize your iPad and make it look and feel like your own. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads.